So this is Wick Tower. It's a locally listed building. It's got that unique Art Deco style from the 1930s. And as you can see, it's absolutely gorgeous. So here we are in the hallway of the apartment. You've got this lovely soft yellowish tint to the walls, kind of a soft ochre, if you like, which makes it feel very warm when you come home. You've got storage to your immediate left, which then leads off into the bathroom. The hallway then leads off again into the kitchen and living area. Let's go and have a look. As you can see, you've got very, very high ceiling height, 3 meters, which are quite unique. You can't find that kind of ceiling height in new builds today. And we don't have the weather for it today, but this is south and east facing just behind me here. Great thing again about this property, a feature I love, is the flooring. So we have these high-end porcelain tiles that are very easy to clean and which go over concrete flooring and retain heat very well for the apartment. So if you come with me now, we'll have a quick look at the balcony. The balcony here leaves us with a few things to talk about. We are in a conservation area in the immediate vicinity. So while Woolwich is going through lots of redevelopment and regeneration, the immediate area is fully protected so that no further buildings can be built and obstruct this view. Welcome to the kitchen area. It's worth mentioning before I discuss the kitchen that the porcelain tiles here beneath me can also be heated, and the property is divided into separate zones. So you could heat this area that we're in currently, or the bedroom, or the bathroom floor separately, depending on what you wanted to do. For the kitchen, however, if I'm honest, there's not too much to say. It's in immaculate condition. High-end materials were used for this conversion, and you've got Bosch appliances as well. So let's go and have a look at the rest. So here we are in the bedroom. As you can see, the cellar has given it a much darker color. So this is a kind of neutral grey-blue to keep the room nice and calm for when you're sleeping here. And it also somewhat mitigates the fact that, again, if you like your morning light, we are east facing here. So you can wake up with the sun if you wish to, but if you want to block it out, you've also got these nice calming colors in this room to help with that. The other thing to note is that we've got carpet in the bedroom just to make it a little bit softer. And to my left here, you've got these built-in wardrobes that go all the way up to the ceiling. So let's go and have a look at the bathroom. Welcome now to the final room. Here we are with the bathroom. The fittings provided by the developer when these were first converted are Villeroy and Boch. So it's all quite high-end, good quality gear. Yeah, I think that's about all there is to say about this, really. Here we are on the stairs. We've just arrived at the second floor that the property is on. The stairs, when you have a look, you'll notice are absolutely massive. They're glorious. When this building was first built as a grand department store for workers, these stairs would have seen quite a lot of foot traffic. Just over my shoulder as well here, if you can have a look at that, you will see a slogan from the Royal Arsenal Cooperative Society written on a building that predates this one, which was built in 1903 and which says, "Each for all and all for each." Just a reminder of how much influence that society had in this area. So we're kind of surrounded by the legacy of the munitions workers, and this building itself, which was built in 1938, is particularly interesting because it was designed for thousands of workers to come here and pick up foods and goods. And you can imagine they saw quite a lot of people coming here during that period. So thank you very much for joining me in viewing this fantastic apartment. If you've got any questions about it or would like to take a look yourself, please just give us a call and hopefully we'll see you in person.